About a year ago, we found out that we had a grandchild on the way, our very first. We needed a way to be able to travel and stay for a longer period of time because we did not want to miss any more of his life than we had to. So my name is Scott Ty, and I live near Dallas, Texas. I kept seeing more YouTube videos about the NRVTA, learning more about your RV, knowing how to fix it, and making it your own business. It was 9 weeks to do the tech and inspecting course. So I showed up on the first day with 80 plus people in my fundamentals class. We have learned every system on an RV, from electrical to propane and plumbing, and how to be able to fix those systems and troubleshoot them. All the time that I've been able to spend hands-on with repairing and diagnosing machines has really prepared me to start my business. I feel ready and confident that I can show up to someone's RV, find the problem, fix it, and get them on their way. So if you want to have the flexibility of having the business and the flexibility of being able to travel, the NRVTA is for you.